Alright guys, good to see you. Lesson 12.4. We're still doing surface area, okay? So today we're going to do surface area of a cylinder, okay? And what I'm going to do to try to make your life easier is on the previous lesson we were doing surface area of a triangular prism, okay? And the formula for that was 2 base plus HP. And I don't like to have to learn more formulas if I don't have to. So we're going to use this same formula even though this is a cylinder, okay? And I'm going to get some slack about this because the only thing that would freak a person out is you really can't say this perimeter of a circle, okay? So when we get to P for perimeter of the base, we're just going to change that to circumference. You know what, matter of fact, let me just do it right now. So grab the same formula, okay? So it's going to be 2 times the area of the base plus then it'll be the height times circumference, okay? Perimeter, you know, we just don't use for circles, okay? This is extremely easy, okay? Here we go. The first thing you want to do is you know that the bases are the circles, okay? Because those are the ones that are parallel, okay? I need to find the area, okay, of the circle. So I'm going to write area of the circle, and that is going to be radius squared times pi. Alright, and matter of fact, today I'm just going to leave that pi alone and then we'll take care of it at the end. Alright, radius. Okay, looking at the drawing, look, that's the diameter. Okay, so I'm going to have to take the diameter, I'm going to have to cut it in half. I'm going to take $15 and I'm going to share it with you, so you're going to get 7.5. And over here I'm going to put 7.5 to the second power, and we'll just leave the pi alone for now, okay? All right, take out your faithful calculator, and we're going to go 7.5 times 7.5. And I'm going to get an answer of 56.25 pi. Okay, come over here and put 2 times the answer 56.25 pi. Alright, we're good so far. Alright, that's my little pi symbol right there. We'll change it to 3.14 in a minute. Alright, do you remember height? Okay, height for these prisms, in this case it's a cylinder, is from base to base. So that'll be your 9. And then we can't call it perimeter, we got to call it circumference. Now I need to find the circumference of that circle. Okay, the circumference of the circle, remember, was diameter times pi. So that'll be 15 times pi. And I'm going to go ahead and put that right in here. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and let's get this decimal right here. So I'm going to go 56.25 times 3.14. And I get 176.63. Leave this alone, leave the 9 alone. All right, and let's find out what 15 times pi is. So 15 times 3.14, and I get 47.1. You're going to follow your order of operations. You got to multiply first. So 176.63 times 2. 353.26. We're multiplying that out. And then 9 times 47.1. And that gives you 423.9. And then we're going to total that up. 353.26. And our grand total is 777.16. Remember, we're doing surface area, so it's meters squared. Okay? Again, I hope you like this idea. For prisms other than rectangular, you can use this formula, and then we can also use it for the cylinder, but we just got to know that perimeter is circumference, okay, for a circle. Okay? Definitely take notes on that. I know it seems like it's really a difficult process, but it really isn't, okay? Just follow, all about the formula, all about the formula. All right, let's try one that's got a cute picture here, all right? Let's try number 11. All Alright, and I will move this where you can see it. Okay, so this is a cereal box. Alright, got a few words in there. Oh my goodness, my goodness, my goodness. Alright, still lesson 12.4, still geometry. I'm still Mr. Mac, I think. Alright, let's try one more. Here we go. Alright, and I like to read anyway, okay? Alright, it says if the surface area of the box of cereal below is 272 inches squared, find the length of the box. Okay, we can handle this. Okay, so length is your unknown, so just make this be the width, and make this one be the height. Okay, so far so good. Okay, then you got to find the formula for the surface area. Do you guys remember what the formula was for the surface area of a rectangular prism? Alright, so surface area of a rectangular prism is what? 2 times length times width plus 2 times length times height plus 2 times width times height. Okay, you're with me so far? Alright, so let's plug in what we know. We don't know length, but we know width is 2, so let's just leave that alone for a second. Alright, we don't know length, that's what we're trying to find. We do have height, and we do have width. Notice I keep going back and I keep checking. It's just to make sure that I don't make a mistake. Alright, so if you keep going back, it's just so easy to, you know, not get the right number in there. Okay, so far y'all are good? Okay, we're just going to clean it up. We got to follow our order of operations, so we cannot add first. We've got to multiply. So this is going to be 4L. This is going to be 24L. And this is going to be 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 12 is 48. Okay? Equals the surface area, which we're so lucky they gave it to us. By the way, how do I even know that is area? Because look, inches squared. Okay, let's clean it up because we got nothing better to do. Combine like terms on the right hand side, and I have 28 L's plus 48. And you guys know I'm going to say it again because I always say it. Everything we learn turns into something we learn from Algebra 1. Now you got a two-step equation. Okay, two-step equation. To get L by itself, you're going to subtract 48 from both sides. Alright, are y'all with me out there? I feel like in the afternoon we're dragging. Don't drag. Alright, I got 224 equals 28L. So you take your 224 and divide by 28, and you get the magic answer of L is 8. Wow, here's your real life problem involving a box of cereal. Huh, they must have gone on our field trip to the kitchen too. Alright guys, take it easy.